Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're heading into the weekend great, and especially with this video in which we'll talk about PEPE 2.0 again. I've been covering this for the last 2 days, today included 3 days, and so far I have been pretty accurate. I have to say. I mean, I'll leave that up to you as well. But you can actually check out what I said the last two videos as well if you want to check that out. Basically, what I said first is that we would move up to this area. That was my price target. And then what I said yesterday, unfortunately, and I got quite a lot of hate comments because of that. But what I said yesterday is that I made a video right here. So I said, all right, we had a bearish breakout through this level right here at around 17,000. We're probably going to drop down lower now unless we get some very bullish fundamentals. And that happened as well. We dropped down all the way to this 11,000 level. And right now, just to be honest with you, it's not looking great either. There's definitely still chance and opportunities for a nice bullish move. And that's also what we'll go over in this video. But at this point of time, you'll have to agree with me, it's not looking great. I mean, if you zoom out, sure, it's looking great. But if you zoom in, and if you take a look at the last couple of days, or at least at the last 2 days, it's not that great. But we'll talk about that. Before we dive into that though, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. And there you'll find instructions on how to join and just a little bit more information about the group and stuff. So if you actually want to become a better trader and be profitable as well, then check out those links. But now on to PEPE 2.0. So basically what we talked about yesterday, and I do want to say about everybody that was commenting FUD, I'm not trying to spread FUD. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to be realistic. If you want to watch YouTubers that will say, new all-time high, Binance listing coming, we're going all the way up to 43,000 right here. If you want that, then watch that. I'm trying to be realistic and I'm taking a look at the technicals. And a quick disclaimer, if it gets listed by Binance, which is a possibility, then yes, then we will actually rally a lot. First of all, up to 32,000, and then it's actually possible to get all the way up to like 37,000 or 40,000 as well. It's a possibility. It's just not with the regulatory pressure that's on Binance right now. It's just not that likely. And PEPE 2.0 is also by far not as big as PEPE 1.0. But all right, so I just wanted to say that a little bit. What we talked about yesterday and what is true as well is that right now volume is dropping and we had some technical bearish confirmations. Those are the two main things you should always take a look at when analyzing cryptos like this, and they're usually red flags. So like I said, right now it is still possible to actually rally up higher and to get a new all-time high around 25,000, I would say. I think it's going to be tough to go through that, at least in the next 24 hours. But the thing is that we had bearish confirmation by dropping down below 17,000 and then by dropping down below 15,000, 14,000, which is now the level we're struggling with a little bit. And then we also had some trouble with staying on top of this very strong key level, or it should have been very strong, around 12,000. So the problem now kind of is that it like volume is dropping down. It's the weekend, so there's not going to be as much volume either, so it's probably going to keep dropping down, and we're not really displaying strong bullish momentum. So right now the only thing that could really blast us to a new all-time high is if we are able to break above 15,000. But I would say that needs to happen in the next 12 hours because otherwise the volume is just too low and there's just not enough momentum. So this is the main thing we're aiming for. It's a possibility, and if that happens, we'll definitely rally again. But I would say that the possibility of something like this happening, so really getting a bullish breakout above 15,000, at this point in time has like a 10-15% chance. And I think it's more likely that we'll at least get some more bearish momentum down to this level right here, around 8,000, 9,000. And then from there we'll see again. I mean, frankly, from there it's going to be very, very hard to get new all-time highs. But it's always possible to get a Binance listing or some sort of other great bullish fundamentals. So I'll keep you updated on that. For now, I think this is the most likely scenario given the circumstances and everything we talked about. But I'll keep you updated. So for now, enjoy your Saturday, enjoy your weekend, take care, and bye.